Today, we will learn some facts about our cosmic neighborhood, the solar system. How it all started. About 4.6 billion years ago, a giant cloud of dust and gas known as the solar nebula collapsed in on itself and began to form what would eventually become our solar system's sun and planets. Our solar system hosts the Sun at its center, a star so large that its gravitational pull keeps numerous planets, dwarf planets, comets, and meteoroids orbiting around it. How old is our solar system? Meteorites, or pieces of space rock that have fallen to Earth, have helped scientists figure out the age of the solar system. The Iron Day meteorite, which fell to Earth in 1969 and scattered over Mexico, is the oldest known meteorite, dated to 4.55 billion years old. How did our solar system form? Scientists believe a nearby exploding star, called a supernova, may have triggered the collapse of our solar nebula. According to this theory, the supernova's explosion sent shockwaves through space, and those shockwaves pushed parts of the nebula closer together, leading to collapse. The Sun. The Sun is between 25,000 and 30,000 light years from the supermassive black hole that forms the center of our galaxy. The Sun is at the center of our solar system and is the largest object, accounting for 99.8% of the solar system's mass. Our Sun is a giant, raging ball of fire powered by nuclear reactions, and it provides the energy that sustains life on Earth. The life-giving star is a yellow dwarf star made up of gas, about 91% hydrogen and 8.9% helium. Compared with the other stars, the size of the Sun is relatively small, and it's just one of hundreds of billions of stars in our home galaxy, the Milky Way. Our solar system's planets. Mercury, closest planet to the Sun, and it is the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury has no moons and no atmosphere to protect it from the Sun's relentless radiation. It is named after the Roman messenger of the gods because of its speedy rotation around the Sun. Venus. Venus has no moons and hottest planet in our solar system. Venus is slightly smaller than Earth, and, like Earth's outer core, it also has a core of molten iron. It's named after the Roman goddess of love, Venus. Earth, the third planet from the Sun. Earth is the only planet known to harbor life in the universe. It is the largest of the 4 rocky planets in our solar system, and it has one moon. Earth is the only planet not named after a god. Mars. Mars is known as the red planet due to the iron-rich dust that covers its surface and gives the planet a rusty color. This red color led the ancient Romans to name Mars after their god of war. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos, and is the home to the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. It is named after the king of the Roman gods, who is also known as Zeus in the Greek pantheon. Jupiter is surrounded by dozens of moons, and its rings are faint and composed of dust. Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun, and is the 2nd largest in the solar system. The planet is best known for its prominent rings. The ring planet also has 82 moons, ranging in size from that of a sports field to the size of planet Mercury. Uranus. Uranus was the first planet to be discovered using a telescope. It is also the only planet to be named after a Greek deity, Uranus, the sky god, rather than a Roman one. This seventh planet from the Sun is an ice giant. Uranus also has 13 rings and 27 moons. Neptune. Scientists predicted Neptune existed before they observed it for the first time because of its effect on Uranus' orbit. Neptune has 14 known moons, one of which was rediscovered after going missing for 20 years. Neptune, named after the Roman sea god, is so far away from the Sun that it takes 4 hours for sunlight to reach the planet. What happened to Pluto? Pluto, once the ninth planet in the solar system and named after the Roman god of the underworld, was demoted to dwarf planet status in 2006. It failed on the third point of the definition for a planet. It had not cleared its neighborhood of space objects. Our solar system has at least 5 dwarf planets: Ceres, Pluto, Eris, Haumea, and Makemake. That's it for our educational video here on Bright Minds PH channel. Hope you learned a lot today. Stay bright!